Ridge School District in Pinetop Lakeside, Arizona is a rural school district at an elevation of 7,000 feet. Winter lows average below 20 degrees. However, we have an abundance of Arizona sun. Our community is situated in the national forest between the Navajo and the White Mountain Indian reservations. We are a low-income, energy insecure community. Food and energy insecurity is contributing to the lack of inexpensive, reliable, and safe cooking appliances for home meals and heating our homes. We have found that there's a significant need in our community for safe cooking and heating, eliminating the need for wood and coal. After researching, we discovered that this is also a global problem. The Clean Cooking Alliance states, this risk is especially acute for families without access to clean cooking, with up to 4 million people dying prematurely every year from illnesses associated with exposure to smoke from polluting, open fires, or inefficient stoves.
The applied physics students were tasked with building a hybrid solar cooker and thermal storage device, capable of both heating a small room and cooking meals anytime during the day or night. By modifying a traditional passive solar cooker design, adding solar panels, a battery backup, and PTC heaters. Combined with thermal mass, the students create a solar cooker thermal storage device capable of continually heating a small room for 24 hours and working as a stovetop and oven for cooking as needed. Traditional passive solar cookers have significant limitations which prevent their widespread use in the United States and globally. The WHO states in an article published in 2022, 1/3 of the global population, or 2.4 billion people worldwide, still remain without access to clean cooking. Our solution to this local and global issue is our hybrid solar oven that can not only work as a stovetop, but as a reliable heat source.
Our hybrid solar oven combines both active and passive solar energy for cooking, combining an oven with a stovetop burner and thermal mass for heat storage. The oven can achieve temperatures that can reliably and consistently bake food, boil water, and fry an egg.
Our design uses 12-volt PTC heating elements, which only requires between 5 to 28 watts to achieve and maintain temperatures of up to 220 Celsius per element. This oven will be able to warm up and be used to start cooking in a short time. Our entire unit can be made for less than $150, including the battery and solar panel.
Our goal for the prototype, proof of concept, and device was to make a cooker that was inexpensive and using recycled materials that could be replicated by anyone else in the world.
After demonstrating proof of concept with our initial prototype, our final design was made using a shafer dish with a warming dome cover. The thermal mass was inserted inside the shafer dish and below the cooktop. This allows us to fill the warming pan with water as additional thermal mass and as a heat sink for excessive heat. In addition to our hybrid solar cooker, we decided to make a standalone solar single burner cooktop. We found that there is a global need for a clean, efficient, and safe single burner stove, and the technologies we used to make our hybrid cooker could be easily adapted to create a solar single burner cooktop. The single burner unit can be made for less than $30 in parts and powered using a single motorcycle battery and a solar panel. With this solar cooker, we have the chance to change people's lives for the better. It is inexpensive to build and operate, clean and safe.
For our proof of concept of our hybrid solar cooker, we baked cookies. They're brown on top and brown on the bottom, and they taste oh so good.